Eliza, a baker with sunshine in her smile and flour perpetually dusting her apron, dreamt of winning the county fair's prestigious pie competition. This year, her entry was a masterpiece, a blueberry lavender lattice pie, a burst of summer sweetness. But on judging day, despair filled Eliza's heart. Her pie, a soggy mess, had been bumped by a clumsy neighbor. Tears welled as she watched the perfect pies of others claim the top spots. Defeat felt heavy. That night, sniffling over a bowl of lukewarm soup, Eliza remembered her grandmother's words, "Even burnt cookies teach you the fire's heat, Eliza. Learn from your stumbles, and the next pie will be a winner." Eliza spent the next weeks analyzing her mistakes. The crust recipe needed tweaking, the filling a touch less runny. She practiced, the kitchen a flurry of flour and bubbling fruit. Doubts lingered, but Eliza persevered. Months later, the county fair buzzed with anticipation. This time, Eliza's blueberry lavender pie stood tall, a fragrant promise. The judges, impressed by the golden crust and perfect filling, declared Eliza the winner. Tears welled again, but this time, they were tears of triumph. Eliza's journey proved that failures are stepping stones, not roadblocks. With determination and a dash of grandma's wisdom, she turned a setback into a sweet success. So, the next time you stumble, remember Eliza, and keep baking your way to brilliance.